Hey guys, we're gonna go through setting up your Dahua XVR 4.0. Let's get into it. Okay, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna select the region, South Africa. Make sure your time zone and your system time is correct. Then we're gonna go next to continue. Software license agreement, you can go through this if you want to. You're gonna select I have read and agree to terms. Then we're gonna go next to continue. Setting up your password. Gonna confirm the password. You can put a hint there as well. And your unlock pattern has been selected. You're gonna go next to continue. You're gonna draw the unlock pattern. We're gonna draw it once more, exactly the same. Here you can set up your password protection. We're not gonna do security questions, but you can. And then we're gonna do reserved email. What will happen is if you forget your password, it will send you a code to your reserved email. Then you can reset your password. So we're gonna set up the customer's email address here. Enter. And we're gonna go next to continue. This is where we set up your network, IPv4. We don't have a network cable connected at the moment, so we're gonna skip this. So click next to continue. Same with P2P, even though it's enabled, and it will always say offline because we don't have a cable connected yet. The QR code on the left would be to download your DMSS app. On the right is the serial for the QR code to scan once you are in the app. We're gonna go next to continue. This is where you set up your coding. So at the moment it's set for general, so 24/7. You can select all, and then you can erase that. Select motion, and then when you draw from 0 to 24, it will populate Sunday to Saturday. And remember, this is for camera A1, so you want to copy tool, select all your cameras, click OK. Then we're gonna go next to continue. This is where your hard drive is found. All status is normal, so we're gonna say OK to finish. We will now change the resolution to 1080p. Click OK to continue. Click OK to finish. And that was setting up your Dahua DVR and XVR 4.0.